Are you a fan of energy drinks? You might want to think twice before cracking open that next can. Recent studies have raised concerns about a potential link between energy drink consumption and an increased risk of kidney stones. This connection has sparked discussions among health experts and has many people questioning the safety of their favorite caffeinated beverages. Kidney stones are painful and often debilitating, so understanding their potential causes is crucial. Energy drinks, known for their high caffeine and sugar content, are being scrutinized for their role in the development of these painful stones. While more research is needed to establish a conclusive link, preliminary findings suggest that energy drinks could be a contributing factor. If you're an energy drink enthusiast, it's important to stay informed about the potential risks. Paying attention to your overall hydration, avoiding excessive consumption of energy drinks, and maintaining a balanced diet are key steps to reducing your risk of kidney stone formation. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the connection between energy drinks and kidney stones, exploring the available research and shedding light on the potential risks associated with these popular beverages. What are energy drinks? Energy drinks are beverages designed to provide a quick boost in energy and alertness. They typically contain caffeine, sugar, and may include additional ingredients like vitamins, amino acids, and herbal extracts. Caffeine, a central nervous system stimulant, is the primary active ingredient. While moderate consumption is generally considered safe for most adults, excessive intake can lead to negative health effects. Energy drinks are marketed to enhance mental alertness and physical performance, but individuals should be aware of potential risks, such as dehydration and increased heart rate, and consider moderation in consumption. Consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable, especially for those with underlying health conditions. The ingredients in energy drinks. Energy drink formulations can vary widely, and the specific ingredients depend on the brand and type of energy drink. However, here is a list of common ingredients found in many energy drinks: caffeine sugar or sweeteners, taurine B vitamins, for example, B6, B12, ginseng herbal extracts, for example, guarana, ginkgo biloba, amino acids, for example, L-carnitine, L-theanine, flavorings, colorings, preservatives, carbonated water, citric acid. The link between energy drinks and kidney stones. Caffeine content. Energy drinks often contain high levels of caffeine, which can have a diuretic effect, increasing urine production. In some cases, this may lead to dehydration, and concentrated urine is a risk factor for kidney stone formation. High sugar content. Some energy drinks are high in sugar, which, when consumed in excess, can contribute to obesity and conditions like metabolic syndrome. These conditions are associated with an increased risk of kidney stones. Oxalate content. Certain ingredients in energy drinks, such as tea extracts or other plant-based additives, may contribute to the oxalate content. High oxalate levels in urine can lead to the formation of calcium oxalate stones, a common type of kidney stone. Dehydration risk. Caffeine, combined with the diuretic effect, can potentially contribute to dehydration if not compensated by adequate water intake. Dehydration can concentrate minerals in the urine, promoting the formation of kidney stones. Individual variability. People's responses to caffeine and other ingredients can vary, and some individuals may be more susceptible to the effects that could contribute to kidney stone formation. Alternatives to energy drinks. If you're looking for alternatives to energy drinks to boost your energy and alertness, there are several healthier options to consider. These alternatives provide energy without the excessive caffeine, sugar, and other additives often found in energy drinks. Here are some alternatives. Water. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall energy levels. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, so make sure to drink enough water throughout the day. Herbal tea. Herbal teas, such as peppermint or ginger tea, can provide a refreshing and hydrating alternative. They are caffeine-free and offer various health benefits. Green tea. Green tea contains some caffeine, but generally at lower levels than most energy drinks. It also includes antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Coconut water. Coconut water is a natural source of electrolytes and can be a hydrating and refreshing beverage. Sparkling water. Carbonated water with a splash of natural fruit juice can be a flavorful and bubbly alternative to sugary sodas and energy drinks. Fruit smoothies blend together a mix of fresh or frozen fruits with yogurt or milk for a nutritious and energy-boosting smoothie. Homemade fruit infusions. Create your own flavored water by infusing it with slices of fruits, vegetables, or herbs for a refreshing taste without added sugars. Cold-pressed juice. Choose cold-pressed juices with no added sugars for a natural energy boost. Keep in mind that even natural fruit juices can be high in sugar, so consume them in moderation. Natural snacks. Opt for energy-boosting snacks like nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. These provide a combination of healthy fats, protein, and carbohydrates. Yerba mate. Yerba mate is a South American herbal tea that contains caffeine, but typically in lower amounts than coffee or traditional energy drinks. Adequate sleep. Ensuring you get enough quality sleep is fundamental for maintaining energy levels. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.